welcome to episode 1 of Bread, the series where I show you how easy it is to make your own bread at home without any equipment and encourage you to try it too. Today we are making New York style bagels. These are quite frankly in a league above anything you can buy in shops, and you'll be amazed at how simple they are to make. The key characteristics of a New York bagel are its firm, chewy texture and gorgeous shiny crust, and the thing that gives us all of those magical qualities is probably the least intuitive step of making them, and that's where we boil the dough in a sticky sweet poaching liquid. You have to trust the process and ignore the wrinkly look of them when they come out, because once they're baked for 20 minutes they will look like this. Smother with whatever topping your heart desires and enjoy.